1. 1990 Chevrolet Camaro Rolling Chassis. Price: $18,000. Located Mechanicsville, Maryland. This 1990 Chevrolet Camaro Rolling Chassis is a purpose-built drag racing platform designed for serious bracket competition. Presented in used but good condition, this car has been professionally assembled with high-quality suspension and chassis components to deliver consistent and repeatable performance at the track. It is being offered as a rolling chassis, making it an excellent opportunity for racers looking to install their preferred engine and transmission combination. The rear setup features a 3-link suspension system paired with new AFCO double adjustable shocks, ensuring precise launch control and tunability. Out back, the car sits on 15/33/15 rear slicks that remain in very good condition, ready for immediate track use. Wheelie bars and a parachute are already installed, highlighting its dedicated drag racing purpose. The chassis is equipped with a Mustang II style front suspension, tubular lower control arms, strange double adjustable front shocks, and recently installed new joints and alignment for optimal handling. Additional race-ready equipment includes dual 12-volt batteries, certified 8.50 safety certification, and quality racing belts valid for another year. This Camaro has proven itself as a very consistent bracket car, built for reliability and straight-line stability. With more photos available upon request, this 1990 Camaro represents a solid foundation for any racer wanting a competitive and well-prepared drag car platform. 2. 1967 Mercury Cougar Pro Street. Price: $49,500. Located New Carlisle, Ohio. This 1967 Mercury Cougar Pro Street is a beautifully restored and heavily upgraded muscle car that perfectly blends classic styling with modern high-horsepower performance. Finished in sleek black with a matching black interior and vinyl top, this Cougar retains its original body panels and factory appearance while hiding serious performance upgrades beneath the surface. With only 26,375 miles showing and less than 100 miles since completion of its restoration, this car presents exceptionally well inside and out. Power comes from a freshly built 557 cubic inch Ford engine running on pump gas, producing an impressive 700 horsepower and 730 pounds-ft of torque with 10.1 compression. The engine is paired with a built 400T automatic transmission, featuring a reverse manual valve body for precise shifting. Out back, a built 9-inch rear end with 4-link suspension and coil-overs ensures strong traction and stability. 4-wheel disc brakes and a new 3-inch exhaust system complete the performance package. The interior remains full and functional, with swing-out bars for easier entry and exit. This Pro Street Cougar offers street-friendly drivability combined with serious power, making it a standout investment for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. 3. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Big Tire Car. Price: $35,000. Located Lenoka Harbor, New Jersey. This 1989 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Big Tire car is a fully built back half-drag machine designed for competitive racing while maintaining a clean, like new presentation. Engineered for strength and straight-line dominance, this Camaro features an S and W fabricated 9-inch rear end with ladder bar suspension, 35-spline strange axles, and a spool for maximum traction under hard launches. The chassis is fully caged, meeting race safety standards and ensuring structural rigidity at high speeds. Powering this setup is a massive 598 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine running on pump gas and equipped with fender well headers. A 6-inch cowl hood adds aggressive styling while providing clearance for the performance components underneath. Shifting is handled by a B and M shifter, and the car includes a fuel cell, dual batteries, and fully digital gauges for precise monitoring during competition. This Camaro is offered as a turnkey race car, ready to hit the strip immediately. For buyers seeking flexibility, it is also available as a roller option. Built for serious performance, yet presented in excellent condition, this 1989 IROC represents a strong opportunity for racers wanting proven big tire capability. 4. 1986 Mazda RX-7 Coupe 2D. Price: $27,500. Located Avila, Indiana. This 1986 Mazda RX-7 FC3S is a highly modified turbocharged rotary build that combines Japanese performance heritage with modern tuning technology. Finished in a bold purple exterior, this coupe has been driven approximately 5,000 miles and remains in excellent running condition. At its heart is a fully built and street-ported 13B RE engine imported from Japan, professionally assembled by Bonsai Racing with documentation available. The turbo system features a Garrett T04Z 84mm unit capable of supporting up to 750 horsepower, paired with a Turbolone dual wastegate manifold and twin 38mm tile wastegates. Fuel delivery is handled by Injector Dynamics 750 cubic centimeters primary and 1,000 cubic centimeters secondary injectors along with an AEM 400 lph fuel pump. Engine management is controlled by a Haltech Elite 750 ECU with a Raceback IQ3 display. Supporting modifications include a Koyo radiator, oil cooler, full HKS exhaust system, ACT clutch, COS two-way differential, and fully adjustable stance coilovers. Currently producing 450 horsepower at 12 PS ion pump gas, this RX-7 offers strong, reliable street performance with room for even greater power potential. 5. 1967 Ford Mustang Roller. Price: $45,000. Located Bloomington, Illinois. This 1967 Ford Mustang Roller is a professionally built ultra-street race chassis designed for serious drag strip performance. Finished in blue with matching factory glass and fiberglass hood and trunk, this Mustang is offered as a roller with no engine, transmission, or electronics currently installed. The car was set up for a small block Ford and Turbo 400 combination with Maven turbo mount provisions, making it an excellent foundation for a competitive race build. The chassis features a certified 25.3 cage built by Burkhardt Chassis and is freshly certified. Suspension components include Calvert leaf springs, Smith Rassacraft assassin bars, and a Tin Soldier's leaf spring kit. The rear houses a fabricated 9-inch with Strange Ultra case for .10 gears and 40 spline Strange axles. Santef rear shocks and an anti-roll bar help deliver consistent launches. Up front, an AGK member, stiletto rack, Santef struts, and TBM brakes provide strength and stopping power. Additional highlights include carbon tubs and trunk floor, PST carbon drive shaft, Weld Magnum double beadlock wheels with titanium bolts, fire system with dual bottles, and full race wiring setup. Weighing approximately 2,880 pounds, this Mustang has recorded a best 1.1160-foot time and shows strong potential for even quicker passes. 6. 1971 Plymouth Satellite Street Legal Drag Car. Price: $18,500. Located Wapello, Iowa. This 1971 Plymouth Satellite is a licensed and titled street legal drag car with a long racing history dating back to the 1970s. Finished in green and powered by a strong, big block setup, this Satellite combines classic Mopar muscle styling with proven strip performance. Equipped with an automatic 727 transmission featuring a full manual valve body and custom dynamic converter, the car is built for aggressive acceleration and track consistency. Under the hood sits a .030 over 440 cubic inch engine with iron heads, Victor intake, 850 double pumper carburetor, and Hooker comp headers feeding into a 3-inch exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. Aluminum pulleys and a PowerMaster alternator round out the engine bay. The rear features an 8.75 housing with back brace for .88 gears, Moser axles, ladder link suspension, and coilovers. Rack and pinion steering and front disc brakes improve handling and control. Additional features include a roll cage, 16-gallon aluminum fuel cell with sending unit, Holley fuel pump, and 315 drag radials mounted on Jegs SSR wheels. With many extra parts included, this 1971 Satellite offers strong value for racers or collectors seeking a street-legal Mopar drag platform. 7. 1988 Ford Mustang Race Car. Price: $22,000. Located Chicago, Illinois. This 1988 Ford Mustang race car is a fully prepared drag machine delivering serious horsepower in a lightweight, all-steel platform. Finished in blue and weighing approximately 2,850 pounds, this Mustang is equipped with a powerful 421 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built using a Dart block and Brodix heads, producing an impressive 847 horsepower. The engine is paired with a Powerglide transmission and 4,800 stall converter for optimal drag strip performance. The rear end features an 8.8 setup with 4.30 gears, providing aggressive acceleration off the line. The car rides on Mickey Thompson 28 by 10.5 tires, ensuring maximum traction during hard launches. Built as a turnkey race-ready vehicle, this Mustang is fully sorted and prepared for competition. Included in the sale is a 14-foot trailer with winch, making transport convenient for race events. With a clean title and strong performance credentials, this 1988 Mustang offers exceptional value for racers looking for a competitive and ready-to-run drag car package at an attractive price point. 8. 1989 Pontiac Formula Firebird 350. Price: $15,000. Located Scottsburg, Indiana. This 1989 Pontiac Formula Firebird 350 is a fully built and track-ready drag car that blends classic third-generation F-body styling with serious small block performance. Presented in used but good condition and backed by a clean title, this Firebird has been extensively upgraded for competitive racing while maintaining street presence. Under the hood sits a powerful 434 cubic inch stroker Motown small block featuring pro-action cylinder heads, eagle rods and crankshaft, and fully forged SRP pistons for durability under high RPM conditions. The drivetrain includes a built 400 transmission with Cone 5500 stall converter and cheetah valve body, delivering sharp and reliable shifts at the strip. Out back, a 9-inch Ford rear end with Moser axles and strange components ensures strength and traction during aggressive launches. A Hayes flywheel completes the rotating assembly setup. This car is fully caged to meet NHRA standards, making it ready for track competition. With too many additional upgrades to list, this Formula Firebird represents strong value for racers seeking a proven drag platform with serious horsepower and dependable components already in place. 9. 1973 Chevrolet Nova LS Turbo. Price: $17,000. Located Bucyrus, Ohio. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova has been transformed into a turbocharged LS-powered street and strip machine, combining classic muscle car looks with modern fuel-injected performance. Running on E85 fuel and managed by a Holley Terminator system, this Nova delivers impressive boosted power through an 80mm turbocharger setup. The engine management system provides reliability and tunability, making it suitable for both track outings and spirited street driving. The transmission is a freshly built Powerglide paired with a quick-draw converter and trans brake, ensuring consistent launches and strong acceleration. A fabricated 9-inch rear end with quick performance center section handles the power effectively. Wilwood rear brakes and AFCO shocks enhance braking and suspension control, while vibrant fuel and coolant lines add both reliability and a clean engine bay presentation. Inside, Kirky 20-inch racing seats with covers and recently updated belts provide safety and comfort. This Nova stands as an affordable entry into boosted LS performance with a solid combination of proven aftermarket components and classic Chevrolet styling. 10. 1986 Chevrolet S10 Turbo Pickup. Price: $32,500. Located Ostrander, Ohio. This 1986 Chevrolet S10 pickup is a professionally built turbocharged street and strip truck that delivers exceptional horsepower while remaining highly drivable. Powered by a 6.0-liter engine paired with a large 80mm turbocharger, this setup runs on E85 fuel and includes a flex sensor for fuel versatility. The engine is managed by a Holley Terminator X system, ensuring precise tuning and dependable performance. Backing the engine is a built turbo 400 transmission equipped with a trans brake and air shift-capable race shifter. The rear features a 9-inch housing with 3.0 ratio and posi, and includes an additional spool with 3.50 gear set. Heavy-duty 5 out of 8 wool studs further reinforce the drivetrain, producing approximately 758 horsepower and 820 torque to the wheels. This S10 has 9-second quarter-mile capability while retaining power steering and comfortable drivability. The body and blue interior present very nicely, and the engine has recently been refreshed with new forged internals. This truck represents substantial value compared to its documented build investment. 11. 1965 Factory 5 Type 65 Coupe Daytona. Price: $75,000. Located Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1965 Factory 5 Type 65 Coupe Daytona is a professionally assembled kit car inspired by the legendary Daytona Coupe design, combining classic racing aesthetics with modern engineering. Finished in ceramic gray with dual black stripes over a black interior, this coupe was built using Factory 5 racing chassis and components, with the build beginning in 2018 and completed in 2024. Power comes from a 427 Windsor small block V8 producing approximately 534 horsepower and 521 pounds-ft of torque. A 5-speed manual transmission paired with a McLeod clutch transfers power to an 8.8-inch rear end with 3.55 gears. Weighing an estimated 2,505 pounds, this lightweight coupe delivers impressive performance potential. The interior features leather-trimmed surfaces, LED lighting, HVAC system, fixed Kirky seats, and a full roll cage with multi-point harnesses. Wilwood brakes and 17-inch Halabrand wheels provide confident stopping power and classic styling. With minimal miles since completion and extensive documentation included, this Daytona offers an exceptional opportunity to own a modern interpretation of a historic American race car icon.